Services firm Raymond James.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, eastern Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, southern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, Cape May County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:58 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Buena to Port Elizabeth to nearby Valve, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Vineland, Atlantic City, Millville, Ocean City, Cumberland, Pleasantville, Summers Point, Ventnor City, Northfield, Absecon, Margate City, Buena, Weymouth, Woodbine, Seal City, Estill Manor, Avalon, and Port Republic. This includes the following highways: